Hi friends, welcome to TP Chennai. In this video, we are going to see 10 questions from wrong number series, 5 questions from missing number series, and 5 arithmetic questions. Right? So first 10 question is based upon wrong number series, which I have taken from last 1 year IBPS PO, SBI PO, SBI Clerical, IBPS RRB PO. All questions I have taken. So we will see one by one. First one, 5, 18, 34, 54, 17 and 110, 158. This is the wrong number series here, right? So first we need to identify the pattern. Pattern is how much here? Plus 30. Here how much? Plus 16. Here how much? Plus 20. Here how much? Plus 25. Here how much? Plus 31. Here how much? Plus 48. Right? Again we have to take the second difference. This is plus 3. This is plus 4, this is plus 5, this is plus 6, this is plus 7. But 31 plus 7 will give you 38, not 48. So my wrong number is 158. Next one, 112, 128, 108, 132, 104, 134, 100. This follows alternate series logic here, right? Because when you see from here, this is minus 4, here also minus 4, here also minus 4, so there is no problem. Again this is plus 4, this should also be plus 4. What is 132 plus 4? 136, not 134. This is my wrong number. Next one, 5, 6, 14, 45, 184, 920, 5556. When you see the last two series, it follows multiplication logic because series is increasing fast. So this is into 1 plus 1, this is into 2 plus 2, this is into 3 plus 3, this is into 4 plus 4. Up to now pattern is correct. But what about here? This is into 5 plus 5. 5 into 4 will ends with 0 because it is 20, and 20 plus 5 ends with 5. This is the wrong number. Next one, 10, 22, 35, 50, 68, 92, 117. Right? So difference is how much here? Plus 12. Difference is how much here? Plus 13. Difference is how much here? Plus 15. This is how much here? Plus 18. Difference is how much here? Plus 24. Difference is how much here? Plus 25. Right? So we will take second difference also. This is how much? 1. This is how much? 2. This is how much? 3. Up to now pattern is correct. What about here? Plus 4. Plus 4 is 22. And when you add 22 plus 68, it should be 90, not 92. So 92 is the wrong number. Next one, 64, 34, 36, 56, 114, 287, 860. Again, when you see the last two series, it follows multiplication logic. 64 and then 34. This is half. 64 half is 32. So this is into 0.5 plus 2. This is how much? Into 1 plus 2. This is how much? Into 1.5 plus 2. What is 36 into 1.5? 36 plus 18. 54 plus 2, 56. Correct only. Here into 2 plus 2. This is also correct. Here into 2.5 plus 2. So this is 228 plus 57 is 285 plus 2 is 287. This is also correct. But what about here? Into 3 plus 2 ends with 3. So my wrong number is 860. So now we will see next 5 wrong number series. First one, 1, 13, 14 and 73, 133, 170. Difference is how much here? 12. Difference is how much here? 36. Difference is how much here? 24. Difference is how much here? 60. Difference is how much here? 37. Right? This is 12 into 1. This is 18 into 2. This is 12 in 24 into 1. Right? So difference is 6. Difference is 6. Again difference is how much? 30 into 2 into 1 into 2 into 1 into 2. So here this is should be 36 into 1. So this is the wrong number. Right? This is the wrong number. 170 is the wrong number. It should be 169. Next one, 12, 32, 70, 132, 224, 364. 12 is nothing but 2 cube plus 4. This is nothing but 3 cube plus 5. This is nothing but 4 cube plus 6. This is nothing but 5 cube plus 7. This is 6 cube plus 8. Up to now it's correct only. This is 7 cube plus 9. What is 7 cube? 343 plus 9, 352. Not 364. Next one. 20, 30, 40, 65, 100, 145. Starts from right hand side. Difference is how much? 45. Difference is how much? 35. 10 gap is there. Difference is how much? 25. Here also difference should be then 15. So up to now problem is not there from the right hand side. So problem comes here. That means whenever problem comes, middle number is the problem. No need to calculate also. Next one. 30, 34, 50, 86, 150, 220. Right? Difference is how much? 4. Difference is how much? 16. Difference is how much? 36 plus 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square plus 8 square plus 10 square. So this is the problem. 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, 8 square, 10 square. Next one. 45, 91, 147, 183, 229, 275. Gap is how much? Plus 46. Gap is how much? Plus 56. Okay, gap is how much? Plus 46. Gap is how much? Plus 46. Gap is how much? Plus 46. Everywhere plus 46 gap is there, but problem is here. 91 plus 46 is 137, not 147. So I hope you are clear with 10 wrong number series. Now we will see 5 missing number series. These are all previous year questions only. Next one. Question mark 100, 150, 375. 1312.5. So first place itself question mark is there. So we need to proceed. This is into 1.5. This is into 2.5. This is into 3.5. That means this should be into 0.5. So here it is 200. Because 200 half is only 100. Next one. 104. Question mark 96, 120, 88, 128. Alternate logic here. This is minus 8, this is minus 8, right? So here it is minus 8, here also it is minus 8. So what is the answer? 112. Next one. 15, 8, 9, 50, 32 question mark. This follows multiplication logic because half of 15 is 7.5 and here 8 is there. So into 0.5 plus 0.5 into 1 plus 1 into 1.5 plus 1.5 into 2 plus 2 into 2.5 plus 2.5. 32 into 2.5 is first multiply 32 into 2, 64, 32 half, 16, 64 plus 16, 80, 80 plus 2.5, 82.5. Next one, 6, 8, 14, 26, 46 question mark. Here gap is how much? 2. Here gap is how much? 6. Here gap is how much? 12. Here gap is how much? 20. 1 square plus 1, 2 square plus 2, 3 square plus 3, 4 square plus 4, 5 square plus 5. What is the answer? 71. Next one. 72,000, 36,000, 12,000, 3,600 question mark. This is into 1 by 2. This is into 1 by 3. This is into 1 by 4. This is into 1 by 5. This will be into 1 by 6. What is the answer? 100. So I hope you are clear with missing number series. Now we will start with arithmetic. So first one, the difference between compound interest and simple interest on a sum of 2 years at 20% per annum is rupees 420. If interest is compounded half yearly, then what is the difference between compound interest and simple interest for 1 year? Right? Very important question also, right? So initially, rate of interest is 20% and the difference is 420. So CI will be how much? 20% for 2 years is how much? 44%, successive percentage change. 20 plus 20 plus 20 into 20 by 100. SI is how much? 20 into 240. So difference is how much? 4. 4% is nothing but how much they have given you? 420. Now they are saying that if interest is compounded half yearly, whenever half yearly case is there, R will be R by 2 and time will be double, right? So here R will be how much? Half of 20% is 10% and T is 2 years. So CI will be how much here? 21%. Same successive percentage, 10 plus 10 plus 10 to 10 by 100. And SI will be how much? 20%. Difference is how much? 1%. 4% is 420, 1% is how much? 105. My answer is second option. Right? Next one, car A and car B starts moving towards each other from city X and city Y. They meet each other in 5 hours. If speed of car A is 120 km per hour and car B covers 350 km in 3 hours and 30 minutes, find the distance between X and Y. So X and Y is there. This is A, this is B. Right? And they are moving towards each other. So relative speed will be sum of the speed. So from point X, car A will move towards car B, and from point Y, car B move towards point A. Speed of car A is how much? 120 km per hour. Okay. For car B, what they are saying? Car B covers 350 km in 3 hours 30 minutes. Speed is equal to distance by time. So 350 divided by 3.5 hours. How much? 100 km per hour. So this is 100 km per hour. So speed of car B is 100 km per hour and both are moving in opposite direction. So relative speed will be sum of speed. So 120 plus 100 is 220. And time is how much? 5 hours. What is the answer? 1100. That means first option. So I hope you clear the previous question. Now we will see next one. Amit invested rupees P in a scheme offering 20% per annum at compound interest for 2 years. If interest received by him is rupees 7040, find the value of P. So 2 years 20% per annum CI is nothing but successive percentage change. So it is 44%. 44 part is how much they have given you? 7040. So 100 part is how much? 44 ones are 44. 264, 6 times 160 into 100. 16,000. Next one, a bouquet of 3 flowers is to be made from 3 roses and 2 lilies. Find the probability that bucket has at least 1 lily. At least 1 lily is nothing but 1 minus no lily. Right? 1 minus no lily. That means I don't want lily. Right? So 1 minus remaining is roses. So 3 divided by total is how much? 5. 5 C3. 1 minus 3 C3 is nothing but how much? 1. 5 C3 is equal to 5 C2 because NPR is equal to NCR is equal to NCN minus R. 5 C3 is equal to 5 C2. 5 C2 is nothing but 5 into 4 by 2, which is 10. What is the answer? 9 by 10, which is third option. So I hope you clear with previous question. Now we'll see next one. A certain number of men can complete a piece of work in 40 days. If there were 8 more men, the work would be finished 10 days less. How many men were there afterwards? Not initially. This word is very important. Right? You know very well capacity ratio is inversely proportional to days ratio. So initial days is nothing but how much? 40. Now from this 10 days less. Now it is 30. Ratio is 4:3. Capacity is 3:4. Right? So here how much more? 1. How much more there? 8. Now what they are asking, how many men were there afterwards? That means this part. So 4 part is how much? 32. Right? So my answer is second option. So I hope you are clear with 10 wrong number series, 5 missing number series and 5 arithmetic question. Please do subscribe TP Chennai YouTube channel for further updates and videos, and do comment about this video in the comment section, and share this video among your friends in Telegram, Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp. So all the best, prepare well. Thanks a lot.